In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can create this texture effect for images just like that using Canva. Let's go! There are two ways of doing that in Canva. One way is for free and one way is using Canva Pro. I'll show you both ways. I will start with Canva Pro because this is the fastest way. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can skip the video to the next step. Or if you want to try that 30 days for free, just go to the link below this video. To start, you just need one image you want to apply that texture effect. Texture gives more depth to the image, it makes it more interesting, and it's super easy to apply that effect in Canva. So you just need to select the image you want to apply the effect, and we are going to apps, and here we are going to search for texture. This one here, you see this is a Pro feature. When you click there, you will see you have many different options of textures that you can apply directly to that image. We are going to choose one to test it out. And for this image, I was thinking about a grunge effect. So we have here many different grunge textures. I like the first one a lot already. So I'm just clicking on that. You see you have different blending modes. Screen, and then we have multiply, which is here for this image, it doesn't work. Overlay can be also interesting, okay? Darken, you can go ahead and see which mode is better for the purpose of your design. For this image in particular, I'm going to use the screen mode. Here you can scale it, you see you can make it bigger. You can rotate the effect, having a different orientation, which is also interesting because then you can adapt to the image that you have. And here you can control its opacity. So if you don't want this effect to be screening, you can reduce its opacity, okay? When you're done with these adjustments, you click on Save, and this is going to be saved in your image. So now your image is changed to that. So if you want, you can first make a copy of the image if you need that again, otherwise it will look like this. Here you can see some different effects in the same image that I applied using that app. This is the paper texture, this is glitch, and here's the light effect. So you have a lot of possibilities to add some depth to your image in different ways. Now let me show you how you can do this also for free, okay? The same image, so you can compare the results. For doing this for free, we are going to Elements now, and we are going to describe the texture we want to apply there. The first texture we applied before was grunge, so I'm going to just type grunge texture, and if you don't have Canva Pro, go to filters here and mark free, apply. This way Canva is going to show just the free images or graphics for you, okay? When you click here into graphics and see all, you can already find some interesting grunge textures that we can apply there. I think I'll take this one here, but I want to change its color to white, or let me see, a lighter gray. And now I just have to make it fit in my image like this, okay? This is one possibility, and still to manage that, because it is very strong, I can click there and reduce its opacity. Same way that I did on the app before, but now you just go here to transparency and you reduce its transparency. We did this using a graphic. You can also do the same thing using an image. So instead of searching for the grunge texture by the graphics, we search within the photos, because it's not always that you will find the texture within the graphics. It's nice to have these two options for you to have a look at and see which one works for you the best, okay? And here I already like this one here. This one will work similarly. Now I'm going to select this, and I am going to make it fit above the image that I have here, as you can see. And now we are going to reduce its transparency. So you see what I'm doing? By doing that, I create already a texture there. I don't know if I like this a lot, but now I can simply grab another texture and put it over the image, and you will see how it works in a different way. You can always go to the transparency and adapt this to your image the way you need, the way it looks more interesting. So you can do this also for free in Canva. Let me show you some further example of different textures that I applied in Canva to this image. Here you can see the same texture effects that we used before in the Pro version, okay? And these are all for free. That's the paper texture, the glitch, and the light. I can even say that the light effect in this one is prettier than the light effect in this one. So you don't need necessarily Canva Pro to achieve very nice and interesting texture effects using Canva. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, just don't forget to follow for more Canva tutorials like this and aesthetic design tips. See you in the next video.